My new house is situated at the foothill of Bakri, and I built my new house in lockdown period. The period was very restricted. That time all material was dear. Not everything was cheap that time, because there was some restrictions during lockdown, and many difficulties I have coped with when I purchased materials during lockdown period. Despite that was not dangerous material and not harmful for human being, but it was foundations from the government of Uttarakhand that time, that we have not to purchase cement, bricks, iron, concrete, and except essential commodities, many things were restricted that time. And that time I built a house because it was my requirement. I purchased land in 2017. That time my dream was that when I will be retire from my service after completing 60 years of age, it was my dream that I will make a house at my native place. But it is all depends on circumstances, that circumstances are adverse or favorable for me, and the time of everything comes, and it is all determined from the destiny. I i think that destiny is not any particular thing. Destiny, fortune, and many things, if I will say, luck, these are these things are made by the generator, operator, and destroyer, and it's my calculation that whenever will be time or everything or anything, it no need or any particular thing to determine or decide that when I have to make my house or home or any dream. every dream will come true in a time, because I have felt so that there is everything favorable if we will not be stereotype, and if our thinking is orthodox and stereotype, everything will be deadlock in our path. In our path, everything will be deadlock and hurdle and disturbance, obstacle will be if we will be stereotype or orthodox, and if our attitude is towards deeds, works, I think nothing is impossible, and I felt so that first step of success is daring to begin. If we begin to dare, I think there will not be any deadlock in our path, and it's necessary, it's essential, it's inevitable to be optimistic. If we will be pessimistic and negative thinking that I can't do, if we will imagine, so I think no any personality will make easy our way. We have to make easy our way ourselves. No one will be facilitator in our way. If Mr. Balam Singh will think that my relatives, my brothers, my kinsmen will be facilitator in my way, I think this is my miscalculations. It will be my misunderstanding. Therefore, I am giving a message to everybody that anything you want to do, that first step is daring to begin.